Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to talk about CSS 2D transform. So the CSS 2D transform property allows us to move one element, rotate one element, scale one element, and also we can skew that element using the 2D transform property. So here we have created one div and then we have applied some CSS to the div. We have applied some margin auto so that our element is centered horizontally, and then we have applied margin top 150 pixel. So in the top we're gonna have 150 pixel of margin, and also we have the border of 5 pixel solid red, and we have the width of 100 pixel, and also we have the height of 100 pixel, and that's how we got the rectangular box. And now we're gonna apply the 2D transform property onto that element. And now we're gonna use the transform property and we're gonna apply the 2D transform to that element. So the transform property has several different methods, like we have the translate method. So the translate method moves the element from its current position. So the translate method takes two parameters. The first parameter is for the x-axis and the second parameter is for the y-axis. So you can see our element has moved 50 pixel towards the x-axis and 50 pixel towards the y-axis. And also we can use the rotate method, and the rotate method is to rotate an element clockwise or counterclockwise direction. So we can use 50 degree. So you can see the element rotated 50 degree clockwise direction, and also we can use the -50, and now the element has rotated 50 degree in the counterclockwise direction. And also we can use the scale method. So the scale method is used to increase or decrease the size of an element. So the scale method takes two parameters. The first parameter is for the width of the element, and the second parameter is for the height of the element. So you can see our element has scaled 2 times of its original width and 3 times of its original height. And also we can use the skew method. The skew method takes two parameters. The first parameter is to skew the element along the x-axis, and the second parameter is to skew the element along the y-axis. And also we can use the matrix method. So the matrix method combines all the 2D transform methods into just one method, and the matrix method takes 6 parameters. The first parameter is to scale the element along the x-axis. The second parameter is to skew the element along the y-axis, and the third parameter is to skew the element along the x-axis, and the fourth parameter is to scale the element along the y-axis, and the fifth parameter is to translate the element along the x-axis, and the sixth parameter is to translate the element along the y-axis. So you can see we have used the matrix method and we have applied the scale x, the skew y, the skew x, scale y, and translate x and translate y. So we have applied so many different 2D transform method using just one matrix method. So this is the way we can use the CSS transform property, and we can apply different 2D transformation. So hope you understand the concept. We'll see you in the next one. Thank you.